guys, all right, TMNmedia here. This is the first edition of live training with top executive. Now, I have 10 of them here, both new members and my former members. Now, they have some information for you who are already members of the team. Now, so that you get to understand how easy and how possible this is. Now, I'm going to be asking them. Did you make profit today?
Yes, I made profit.
Did you make profit today?
Yes, I made profit.
Did you make profit?
Yes.
Did you make profit?
Yes.
Did you make profit?
Yes.
Did you also lose? You
Because
lost.
I lost one.
Now, he lost because of entry.
Yes.
Now, did you make profit?
I made profit.
Did you make
I
profit?
made profit.
Did you make profit?
I made profit.
Did you make
Over
profit?
50%, yes.
Did you make profit?
52%.
Now, they all made profits. But you see, what they've started, we plan to make $1 million. I've shown them how it is. Is it possible?
Yes, very possible.
Is it doable?
It is doable.
Do you think the strategy will work?
It's working.
It's working.
Oh, yes.
So please help me encourage your members.
Please, you have to join
Come on board.
the moving train.
Take it serious. Whatever
You have to join the moving train. The
Okay.
lay can be dangerous.
Okay. Now, who else has a message
You
for
might
them?
think it's very simple. Fine, it's simple, but it's working. Try it.
Now, most of you have a message for them. Tell them.
Stop that thing. Appreciate what you have.
Okay, correct.
Take it serious. It works.
Okay.
It works. Take
Now,
it serious.
you see, most people they want something that is quick, fast, non-stress, just like computer. You press and enter. It doesn't work that way. Learn, practice, then you will earn.
Amen.
It's important to learn, you practice, and you will earn. Now, I'm waiting for all of you.
Don't just rush in.
Try to practice. If you don't understand, ask question. You will get to understand better. Now, from all of you, from all of us here to you guys, we are all wishing you happy trading. And hey, watch out for all their testimony.
Yeah.
Hey,
I'm
I'm going to be having a banquet with them next month.
By God's grace.
With all their spouses.
Oh,
because
yes.
they are all going to be making millions.
Amen.
Yeah. So I'll see you next month.
See you next
God
time.
bless you. Okay, thank you.